Welcome to the Dr. Pepper Museum and Free Enterprise Institute. We are so glad you're here. As you go through the museum, scan the QR codes like the one you just scanned to learn more about our galleries and exhibits.
Hi guys, welcome to the Dr. Pepper Museum. You are currently located in the AMBC building, that is the Artesian Manufacturing Bottling Company building. This building was the original factory building where Dr. Pepper was first mass-produced, as well as its headquarters. There are 3 levels to explore, all converted to exhibits and information on Dr. Pepper, history, and the soda industry at large. Once you're finished exploring here, our gift shop is through our main exits, and to your left, and there you'll find all types of fun Dr. Pepper t-shirts, hoodies, some Dr. Pepper with real cane sugar, if that's for your sweet tooth. With all paid admission tickets, you do receive a voucher for free handmade Dr. Pepper at our soda fountain. Our soda fountain is actually located in the second building directly across the courtyard. There, your lovely soda fountain staff will help you out. Past our soda fountain, there are actually even more exhibits, and that's where our liquid lab is located.